Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mufidah Alamsyah from SMPIT Araihan. And today I will show you how to make a simple harmonica from used straws. Here are the things we need: used straws, one-sided tape, scissors, and ruler. Now we're going to start making the harmonica, but first please listen to me carefully because we're going to use a little bit of mathematics here, okay? And also make sure the straws are completely clean and dry. Now let's start creating. First, cut the straws into 8 pieces with each different length. There are 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 11 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. Let's start cutting. And then place the straws from the shortest to the longest, like this. And I will call this the sound pipe. And now take another straw and cut it into 7 pieces with the same length, which is 3 centimeters. And now, place these small pieces between the sound pipe like this. Almost done. Now we only have to attach them all with one-sided tape. Do this part very carefully. harmonica only from used straws. And you can also play it just like a real harmonica, like this. Simple, isn't it? That's all from me. Thank you for watching, and remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Thank you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.